In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently pay your bills using an online system. Whether you're managing personal finances or handling payments for a business, this streamlined approach will save you time and improve your workflow. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Vendors section of your online accounting platform, which is typically located on the main menu or dashboard. Once you're there, select the Pay Bills option. This section is usually designed to give you an overview of all the outstanding bills you need to address. It's a helpful tool that consolidates all your pending payments, making it easier for you to manage your expenses in one go. Once you're on the Pay Bills page, take a moment to review your outstanding bills. This review step is crucial to ensure accuracy before proceeding with payments. Look through the list and check the details of each bill to confirm that all amounts and vendor information are correct. When everything checks out, proceed to select the bills you'd like to pay. You usually select bills by checking boxes next to each bill you wish to include in the current payment round. This allows for flexibility, as you can pay multiple bills at once or just a few, depending on your current budget or strategy. After you've selected the bills, the next step is to choose your preferred payment method. Most systems will provide several options, such as bank transfers, credit card payments, or other electronic payment methods. Consider factors like convenience, fees, and processing time when selecting your method. For instance, while bank transfers might have longer processing times, they often come with lower fees. With your bill selected and payment method chosen, it's now time to proceed with the payment itself. You'll want to look for a button labeled Pay Selected Bills or something similar. Once you click this button, the system will process the payment for the selected bills based on the method you specified. This might take a few moments as the system communicates with your bank or payment provider to authorize and complete the transaction, and that's it. You've successfully paid your bills using the online system. To wrap up, make sure to receive or confirm any transaction receipts or confirmations. These are typically sent via email or accessible in your transaction history on the platform. Having these records can be very helpful for future reference and resolving any potential disputes. So, remember to keep them organized. If you follow these steps every time you need to pay your vendors, you'll find that managing bills can be a hassle-free task. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and reach out if you have any questions about this process. Have a great day, and happy bill paying.